Hi everyone, this is Niel here. Welcome back to another video. Now here's the good news. I'm going to show you how to proceed to stage 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so now I'm just going to recap just a few things. Now first of all, I believe most of you already attended this stage 1. I've covered all the stage 1 fundamental where we talk about live streaming all the way to the AI part, right? So after you complete the stage 1, then we're going to go to stage 2, right? So stage 2, there are 9 modules. You can choose either one or you join 2 or all of them. Depends on you. But most important is that you need to update your profile and your sales. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, then after you complete stage 2, then next is to go to stage 3. Now after stage 3, which is the coaching session, only 45 selected participants. Once after stage 3, or some of you can actually just skip stage 3. You can actually go directly to stage 4, which is the boot camp. So if you already follow me on social media, I do share some videos, some pictures, some images that other participants have attended, especially in KL, Penang, and Sabah. All right. So the boot camp is fully sponsored. The hotel, the buffet, the training program, all these are fully sponsored. So that's why I'm going to show you how to get all the way until here. And then after you join the boot camp or the coaching session, next is to become our next success story. So this worth around 6,000 to 8,000 ringgit, where MDEC send the video production team all the way to your cafe, your restaurants, your office, to anywhere that you want, even all the way to your home. As long as you get the results in the program, then that's where MDEC will actually send a group of video production team all the way to your location. So I'm going to show you how to actually get all this done. Now first, how to go to stage 2. So let us not waste any more time. Let us get started. Now all you got to do is just scan this QR code or go to this URL, nieltang.com/mdec-next-stage. So I'm going to put this link below or above of this video in the description there. So go ahead, click the link or scan the QR code. Once you scan the QR code or click the link at the comment section below or above of this video, what happens is that it's going to direct you to this registration form. Okay, so you will come to this registration form. That's where you can see Borang Kemas Kini Maklumat Peserta E-Usahawan 2023. So you must complete your E-Usahawan MDEC profile and your sales as well. Then only can proceed to stage 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, previously you have to log into the E-Usahawan MDEC portal, update the profile, and find the sales. And there are so many buttons, and you got confused and lost, right? Now, this is going to make your life a lot more easier. All you got to do is just fill up the form, just like Google Form. Okay, so all you got to do is just click on Start Now. Once you click on Start Now, you will be directed to this first page. So in the first page, it asks you to provide your full name. Now, please make sure you want to insert your full name according to your IC or the name that you registered with us. Because I'm aware that some of you did not use, your full name according to IC. You just put your nickname and your surname, that's it. So just please put your surname or your nickname, okay? Whatever it is that you have registered with us, if you can remember. Alright, if you can remember this registration form, can you remember what kind of name that you put in, your email address, and your contact number? If you can't remember, drop us a WhatsApp message, okay? Alright, so now if you already forgotten what kind of full name you've put in, your email address, or your phone number, then all you can do is just scan this QR code or go to this URL, nieltang.com/support. I'm going to put the link below or above of this video, right? It will be in the description box there. Go ahead, click that link if you need help or scan this QR code. So back to here, so make sure you put in your name that you registered with us. Alright, and then next is to put in your telephone number that you registered with us as well. Okay, always remember everything that you fill out this form earlier, you may want to actually put in the same information here so that our system can actually track your details so that we know that you are indeed one of our E-Usahawan MDEC participants. Then only you can proceed to stage 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then here, of course, you definitely need to put in your IC number, the IC number that you registered with us as well. Then here, you can choose your gender. Are you lelaki or perempuan? Then bangsa, is it Melayu, Cina, India, and etc. Then here, you may want to insert your town or city or your district or region. Okay. Then here, negeri. So where are you from? Are you in Johor, Kedah, Perak, Pahang, Pulau Pinang, KL, Sabah? Alright. So go ahead and select one of these options here. And then once you're done, click on Next. So once you click Next, you will be directed to this page. So here, you can select your category of your business. Now, I know some of you said that, hey, Niel, my category is not here. It's all right. Now, you can choose any of this category that is almost quite relevant or almost quite similar to your industry. Okay, because I do aware that some of you do not have this, like property is not here. All right, if property is not here, then you can choose something like Roma. All right, then maybe some of you like saying, hey, I'm a platform provider, I don't have it here. Then you can put it like perkhidmatan. Some of you have e-commerce platform, some of you have your own freelancing platform, your job recruitment platform. So whatever platform it is, it can be called khidmatan. Alright, so whatever industry it is, you can select any of these options here that is quite similar or quite near to what your business are doing. Then next, alright, now please take note. This is really important. This is compulsory. If you don't do this, you cannot go to stage 2. Right? So all you gotta do is make sure you must have a Facebook page link. Alright. So I've already done the video tutorial. You can always watch the video tutorial in nieltan.com/video. So can you remember this page, right? I believe most of you seen this page, which is you can watch the Facebook tutorial, the Instagram tutorial, the TikTok tutorial. Go ahead and watch all those videos, okay? To learn how to create your own business page, your own professional business account for your Instagram, as well as your business account for TikTok. So all you gotta do is just scan this QR code. Alright, or you can actually go to this URL, nieltan.com/videos, then you'll be directed to the video tutorial page. So let's say now you already have your Facebook page link, go ahead, put it inside here. If you have TikTok link, go ahead and insert your TikTok link. If you're on Instagram, put it in Instagram as well. Now, if you do not have any Instagram link, you can just put NA. Now, please do not put all this NA and there's no single social media link or website link, then you will definitely not be qualified to join the stage 2. Okay, and 3, 4, 5 as well. So if you have a website, you can put a website, otherwise you can put NA. Now, WhatsApp link. I believe all of you should have a WhatsApp link or else you are not able to join my WhatsApp group. So you want to put https, then //wa.me/ then put in your phone number, okay, with the country code. Right, you must have a country code, and I believe it should be 60, okay, not other country. You must use your Malaysian contact number, okay? Must use Malaysian contact number, okay? Not Singapore, not Thailand, not other country, okay? Just change to your phone number, okay? Then next, if you have a marketplace like Shopee, Lazada, Taobao, Alibaba, whatever marketplace that you have, or even Mudah.my, Facebook marketplace, just put the link over here, okay? Now, if you do not have it, just put an A. Now, once done, click on next. Once next, you'll be directed to this Jumlah Jualan page. Okay, here, take note. Now, let's say June, you can put 0. July, you can put like around 10,000, 20,000. It depends on your sales history. Okay, so example, in July, you have 10,000 sales. You just put your 10,000 sales. So we want to track your before and after. So example, before you join the e-Usaha MDEC program, you only have 10,000 sales. Then in August, you start to join the stage 1 and stage 2. Because some of you are quite fast, you complete all the details very fast. So you join stage 1 and stage 2. Then for some reason, your sales increase because you learn certain strategies and you took action. And then your sales increase from 10,000 to 20,000 ringgit. Okay. Then, of course, as time goes by, you join stage 3, which is the coaching session, and then you join the stage 4 and 5. Then your sales increase, then you have 30,000 ringgit. Now, I know some of you might say, hey, Niel, I do not have any business. How? Okay. Now, if you do not have any business, then all you got to do is just put in 100 ringgit just to activate your account. That's it. That's so that you can proceed to stage 2. Okay. So just put 100 ringgit for your October sales, or maybe other months, any month that you would like, just put 100 ringgit, and then that's it. Okay, for those who do not have any business at all, or even you're just getting started, all right, your business is new, you have a new SSM, or maybe you do not have any SSM yet, your company is totally new, then you can just put 100 ringgit as well, just to activate your account. Then November, you can just put any amount you want, is it 0 or maybe another, maybe 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so it depends on you. Now in this case, I have to put 0 and 0. Okay, then once done, then click on submit. Okay, if you have any issues, like example, if you do not know what is your full name that you registered with us, your IC number, maybe you given wrong IC number, or maybe your phone number, you got 3 or 4, 5 number and you are not sure which phone number that you given to us, okay, you just scan this QR code or go to nieltan.com/support to ask for help. Not only that, don't forget to claim your reward. Now, this reward, we will only start to create the access in January 2024. All right, so go ahead, scan the QR code or go to nieltan.com/reward. Go ahead and fill up the form so that you can go and claim your reward from me. Okay, I haven't forgot about all of you. So go ahead, fill up the form, claim your reward. If you do not sure how to do it, just watch this video tutorial. Okay, watch this video tutorial to learn how to claim your reward. All right, if you're not sure, drop me a WhatsApp message or drop my support team a WhatsApp message. Okay, so you can just go to nieltan.com/videos or scan the QR code so that you can start watching the video tutorial, which is the reward campaign. So just to remind you that the free gifts that you're going to get is the whiteboard animation. It's a 1-year access. If you do not want a whiteboard animation, then you can use the corporate video editor access as well, which come with millions of video, templates, images, musics, and it all can be done with drag and drop, and it comes with 24/7 live chat technical support. So because as you know, video tends to help you to increase your conversion, whether it's leads or sales. All right, so that is all for this video. I do hope to see you in stage 2, stage 3, and stage 4, and all the way to stage 5. And the stage 4, I do hope that you can be our next participants to join our bootcamp. As you can see, Selangor, Penang, and Sabah. So Selangor and Penang is already over. Sabah is coming up next. I do hope to see you in this bootcamp and become our next success story. So that is all for now. This is Niel Tan signing off. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.